Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews, and today we take a look at the MOVO UM800 USB microphone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am taking a look at the UM800 mic by MOVO. So this is actually the second microphone they send me. So again, big shout out to MOVO for sending me this microphone, and it's a USB microphone, and it looks like it's a silver version. I believe they might have one or two different color or variants of this. So I will post the description down below for you guys to check out. And again, if you guys are listening to this video, I am actually recording on a MOVO microphone as well. This one is connected to my DSLR, which I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description below as well. But again, this one is catered more for PC users, specifically people that are maybe doing some light occasional gaming or podcasting, etc. like that. And it says, wait, activate 2-year warranty. So there is a 2-year warranty on this mic. And I always like how MOVO packages their items. So again, we're a team of creators and entrepreneurs who proudly support the content creation community through innovative, high-quality products that let you do you. From filmmakers to photographers, bloggers, and podcasters, and beyond, MOVO helps you share a creative voice across the countless mediums and content platforms everywhere. So that's pretty good. You can scan this little QR code here in the back just to check that out. But again, this is a tabletop microphone. It does come with a lightning cable. It's a Type-C cable, which is great because that's, you know, where everyone's going as far as the future goes. And it says scan the QR code to activate your 2-year warranty. So, and again, it does have a picture of a girl playing a guitar and recording. So I'm not sure if you can connect this directly to a computer, but I believe you might, or not a computer, but a phone, but you might be able to. It says compatible with iOS, Android, Type-C, and then computer. So you might actually be able to connect this directly to a one of those, and you can actually get better sounding stuff from there. So I'm actually interested to see how that works. But let's go ahead and get the unboxing going, guys. All right, now we're to the unboxing. So it doesn't look like there's any tape or restrictive items here to get this going. I just literally have to lift this tab out and then pull this up, hopefully, and we'll see how that goes. It looks like the packaging's pretty good, actually. This thing's actually pretty heavy, or at least the box is pretty heavy. So what I'm going to do here, and again, sorry this isn't as cool as unbox therapy, but I'm just literally gonna hold this out and then dump it out like that. Whoa, hello, almost dropped the microphone. And I'm not 100% sure on the pricing. I will go ahead and post the pricing up here in the top right corner. And again, you will see that with the link description as well. So again, this is my unbiased unboxing of the actual microphone so far. So I'm gonna put all this aside for now. And it does come with a lot of wires. So first of all, this looks like the power cable, Type-C connector, another Type-C connector, maybe a smaller one. It looks like it does come with like 3 different Type-C connectors. I don't know if they just want to send you different lengths of Type-C connectors just because one might be for power. You know what? They're so that you can connect 2 different devices. Okay, that makes sense. One of them's Type-C to Lightning, which is for your iPhone. So that's that, and that's pretty cool that it comes with all these cables, because that means that you don't have to spend any extra money on that. Type-C to micro USB, and then I believe this is USB-A, which is just like your regular standard computer one, which was the one I will be testing it on, to again micro USB. So again, it's going to be interesting. This thing does, let's go ahead and take a look at it at the bottom here. So it does connect directly via micro USB. So I don't know why I thought this connected with USB Type-C, but I guess it does come with USB connector, so I can't be too disappointed. It is upside down right now, so I am gonna have to figure out how to get this going. Here's the front of it, and as you can see here, it does have kind of like a pop filter over here. So if I just have to loosen this a little bit, I'm hoping that these are just little things that hold it steady or whatever. I'm literally trying to loosen the items here, or maybe it goes the other way. Hold on, there we go. Yeah, I think it might just be a little complicated to turn on my end, but I'm sure there's a way to kind of loosen these or tighten them. I'm not 100% sure, but for now I'm just gonna leave it like that. So let's take a look at the front here for you guys to see really quick. So it does have an audio gain and a min and a max, and there are like 4 different little pattern levels, which, you know, I hopefully will try to figure out for you guys as we go along in the video here. And in the back here, again, you have your front and back, and then, I mean, there's 2 sides to this. So Obviously this is probably going to be your main side, which is your volume, your min, and your max, obviously, which it says it right there. And then again, it has your mute button. And I don't know what's going on with my pop filter. I can actually remove this and it looks more like that. It looks, to me, it looks a little better like that, but I'm going to go ahead and leave the pop filter on just because I do tend to spit into the microphone a little bit. For the most part though, this thing looks pretty good and it's heavy. So if you have it on your desk, definitely it's not going to just wobble around, you know what I mean? It's going to stay in its spot. So I am actually going to connect this to my Mac Mini, and I'm going to try to get it set up with StreamYard, and I might try to do a little small recording, not a live recording, and we're going to just take a look and see what we can do with this as far as the sound quality of it goes. Just plug and play, and then we'll see how it goes, guys. All right, guys, this is Mike from BTech Reviews here, and we are testing out the MOVO UM800 USB microphone. I tried getting this set up on StreamYard, but I couldn't figure out how to, what's the word? I guess just do a screen record via StreamYard. I know there's an option for that. I just couldn't figure it out. But anyways, pretty much, yeah. I mean, I know that you can do that, but again, this is just me recording directly from the microphone. Using screen share and the USB microphone. I have all the settings set to default. I haven't touched anything since I unboxed the microphone. So this is what the microphone sounds like out of box. Let me know what you guys think. Does this sound bad? Does this sound good? I am testing this on the Mac Mini M1. So I am updating and downloading all these updates, etc. like that. So I don't know if it's going to sound good or bad. I will test this on my Windows PC at home when I do a live StreamYard stream, so that will be coming. So hopefully I'll be doing a live stream a little bit later, so just keep an eye out on that, guys. But for the most part, and I know it looks like I'm crouched, but I'm trying to get the microphone and myself in the shot, and I know that my face looks really dark and dingy. The background is really washed out right now. That's why I do not know why. It's just my webcam does that. I need to find like a better angle. But anyways, guys, you know, this is what the MOVO UM800 USB microphone sounds like. Again, this is on my Mac Mini M1. So again, take it with a grain of salt. You know, I haven't messed with any of the settings. There are little features like a mute button right here. So if I press this, I don't know if you guys could hear that or not. And again, there is a volume, but I think this is for the headset, because you can connect a headset to this. And again, there is a gain. Let me see if you guys can hear any difference now. I'm moving the gain up just so you guys can hear. So let me know if you guys can hear the gain. Definitely don't. I'm going to put it all the way up just so you guys can hear that. So let me know what you guys think about that. And hopefully I'm going to lower it just a little bit back down just to get that back so it doesn't sound super distorted. But again, guys, this is Mike from BTech Reviews. MOVO, again, thank you for sending me this microphone. I am going to test this during a live stream later on tonight. So again, I appreciate you guys sending this to me, reaching out to me on Twitter, emailing me, etc. like this. This is, again, the second microphone. The other one is right back there on top of my DSLR. And again, I'm about maybe like, you know, about a foot away from the actual microphone. So again, the room is a little bit echoey, so you kind of have to excuse that. But again, hopefully you guys can hear this. And again, guys, this is Mike from BTech signing off again. Thank you for sending this to me. I'm going to post the link down of the microphone in the description down below.